Dear friends, hope you're having a great day. We're excited to share our daily 12 premium trading signals, complete with clear entry, stop loss, and target levels to help you trade with more confidence and better planning. To make it easy for everyone to get started, we're offering a tester plan for just $10 per month. Try it first, check the accuracy, and see the results for yourself. If you're satisfied, you can upgrade to our other plans anytime. You can find the link in the description and comment box. We truly appreciate your support and would love to have you join our growing community. Let's learn, trade, and grow together. Thank you so much.